Hi, I'm Mohammed Faisal. This is MentorBridge, a free AI mentor for Indian students and freshers. The title card appears. William, in a cream sweatshirt and beige trousers, watches the homepage. Many students struggle to find practical career guidance and free learning resources. MentorBridge solves this. Bilingual AI mentors, resume and interview help, typing practice, and Tally GST support, all free. The narrator scrolls home, about, services cards to illustrate. A sign-up is shown, creating a demo account stored in local storage, showing a welcome. The UI toggles to Tamil, interface labels and bot replies change. The developer page displays Mohammed Faisal's bio. In a multi-agent chat, the career mentor generates a short study plan for a BCom student preparing for internships. The typing coach measures WPM, shows immediate feedback. The interview simulator presents a question, scores a brief response, and offers model answer. Built with Gemini models in Google AI Studio and deployed on Google Cloud Run, HStat MentorBridge 96859069862.uswest1.app. I'm Faisal, available to demo. Thank you.